Can you see yourself discovering and fighting crime, rubbing shoulders with celebrities, saving the environment, or working as a corporate executive? Hi, I'm Brian Fink, Professor of Business and Accounting at DACC, and these are just a few of the career paths that you can choose as an accountant. Now, you may choose to go to DACC and receive an associate's degree, which is a great place to start. This is true even if you're not sure that accounting is the field you want to go into. Many of the credits you receive may be applied to other business curriculums as well. But if you are really up to a challenge and ready to see your career take off, you can become a part of our Indiana Wesleyan University Partnership Associate's to Master's degree program. Now, this program will save you money, streamline your education to a master's degree while preparing you to sit for the CPA exam. It is well known that you will need 150 classroom hours to sit for this exam. But with our partnership and with only 6 credit hours more, 2 classes, you can get your master's degree and meet the educational requirements to sit for the CPA exam. If this interests you, please give us a call at 217-443-3222 and tell them you want to learn more about the accounting program at DACC. Let us help you make your dreams a reality.